Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y76 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple Layout on this Vivo. You need to start by accessing Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Over here type in iOS Launcher and install this free app. This one from this developer. Then choose Open. Now you need to wait for the pop-ups and select Allow and while using in all of them. Finally, you can click on Home button, select Settings and tap on Apps over here. Then select Default Apps, click on Home app and apply iOS Launcher by tapping on it. Now just got it in the pop-up and OK in this one, so OK, then got it. And as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Android. But you can always switch between those layouts by going into Settings, tapping on Apps and choosing over here System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!